We are here in the ZSL London Zoo. It was a really big zoo and it had almost all type of animals. Reptile house had so many snakes, turtles and crocodiles. A big collection of turtle shells. We found a bag made up of Siamese crocodile skin. They are now extinct. Misha was really excited at the zoo. This shows the life cycle of turtles. They even have tadpoles showing us the life of frogs. Gorilla Kingdom was really big. Gorilla's pool looks a lot like yours. Zoo people are funny. They have separate areas for each animal. And here the rain started. But we had our umbrellas. Misha is a bit scared of tigers. Ostriches were sleeping. We didn't disturb them. There was a big hippo bath. Enjoying in the warm water. They almost had 4 to 5 hippos. Giraffe kill a person, giraffe. This was my first time I saw okapis. You know, okapis are the national animal of Congo. They are the cousins of giraffe. We even measured our height. I am as tall as zebra. Misha is as tall as hippo.
window. We want to be nice and calm and slow and quiet in here.
They told us to not bring any food or else monkeys are going to snatch it. This is my favorite part of the zoo. There are open monkeys. What should I do? I saw the lemurs first time. Open and cozy. They look friendly. Another monkey cage. Oh no, monkeys! There were other many animals like penguins, butterflies, lions, but I couldn't make the video. I'll see you later, alligator.